this is the account called, this is the one that I am running right now. But the one that I want to make copies of is from this one. And we don't have it exactly the same, which means that the flow to the way that Jim is setting it up isn't working. And I just want it for myself. I'm only trying to do my own. So with that being said, what I want to be able to do right now is take me into my account, which would be inside Rental Lead Pro, right? So I'd go here, I'd go to sites, then I go to funnels, right?
Yeah.
I'd click on solar funnels.
Yes.
Then this is where everybody's funnel is at. And so I would want to go down to, tell you what, why don't you take me through and let's talk about how I would change the pictures. That way there, I don't have to have you changing the pictures. I can do it when they come in. Agree?
Yeah. If you want to change the picture, just select the funnel.
Okay, so I'm going to click on the funnel.
I have it saved as a global section so that you won't need to edit all the like a footer, Mr. David. So once you change the single footer, it will apply to all of the pages.
Okay, how do I know that that's done like that?
Kindly click on the edit button, Mr. David. It's in the middle section. Edit the page. There.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
That's it. Okay. Okay. So at the bottom there, yeah, that one.
Well, I wouldn't have to change her picture, but if I was going to change the picture, all I would just click on the picture, right?
Correct. And then the option will be on the right side. You just have to look for no, on the right side, Mr. David. There's like that one.
The menu bar, Mark. This is called a menu bar, right side menu bar. Okay, right side menu bar. So I go to the right side menu bar and there'd be an image here.
Scroll down. You have to scroll down. There, image option. That one. Just have to click the icon.
Click the icon.
Do you see the image and there's like a URL, right? There's an icon. Yeah.
Okay, so I click that, and this is going to take me to where?
To the media library.
Okay, so I have to upload the pictures into the media first.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, so
you can actually just do it from the edit, Mr. David. You can upload the file when you edit, when you're editing the page. As you can see, there's like an upload button at the top right.
Okay, so this is where all the solar content is at, is what I'm
correct.
assuming.
Yes.
Okay. And it does show everybody's pictures.
Correct. Yeah. You can upload the file if you want, Mr. David, and then you just have to choose the file that you uploaded. That should change the picture.
And then these are just real simple to change. That you just highlight this, and then the edits are like, which one is the edit? That one right there. This is edit.
No, you have to double click, Mr. David.
Double click what?
The text. There should be there. There. You should see those floating menu.
Okay.
So there's bold
And now
the links.
do I have to click publish? I didn't do anything, so
You
I don't have.
if you click on save, it will just save the progress that you made, but it won't publish the change. So what it means is, let's say for example, you change the text, it will save it in JHL, but it won't reflect on the live web page,
Okay, and
so that
so
you can
it reflects
continue.
on the what? Right. So when I am ready to publish, am I just publishing from the main page and it'll publish all of them, or do I have to go in page for
You
page?
page per page if you're going to do a lot of editing, if it's specific to the page. But can you hover on the black box, Mr. David? Um, Go to the side, somewhere on the side there. As you can see, the box is purple, right?
Yeah.
That means that it's a global section. So if you change something on the global section, it will also change that into all of the global section, the pages, different pages.
What is custom HTML Java? What does that mean?
That's where I put the bot thing.
Piece. Okay. That's the bot.
Yes, that's where I put the script for the bot.
Can we get rid of that guy?
Yeah,
Just click it here.
yeah.
Do you have to do it on every page, right?
You just have to save it, Mr. David, and publish, and that should be it. It will actually prompt you that you're changing something on a global section, so that will apply
Okay. Did it just
the
work just
change.
now?
Yeah,
Okay.
you
So
can
now
go back.
I don't want to change anything on anybody else's page, just my own for right now.
That was Kathy's page.
No, Christina.
Okay. You removed the AI
The,
though.
right.
Yeah,
I
the
removed
chat box.
the
Yeah.
bot.
So all those funnel steps, Mr. David, they have those footer, like
Sure.
what you. So you just have to change the footer on one page, and that should apply to all of them.
Fine, right here. And I'm editing. These are individual pages that I'm editing. So I could go in here.
Hmm.
All right. Now, what I want to know about is, I want to have, this says opportunity affiliate. I like the way that this looks, but I don't want it that way. I want on this page, I want to have both of these.
Okay.
I want it to have, I want rounded edges with these graphics if I can have it.
Okay.
And I want to say affiliate, and I want to say realtors, land, and realtors.
And professionals.
Well,
Land
it says
professional.
and professionals. Realtors and professionals is what I want.
I think it's land professionals.
I don't want it to say land
Okay.
professionals.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean anything at all. Realtors and realtors and professional. I don't know what ours says. Let's look what ours says. Ours says, why are people going solar? That's good. Then I click here. This should actually be realtors. What we have it going to is it actually is taking us right directly to what we call. If I click on it, it's not going to take me anywhere, right?
It's not because that's the editing uh section.
Okay,
You're
so
in edit mode.
I gotta go back here, no, to my, this one, and go, why are we going solar? Go here. And when I click this, it takes me to realtors and other home service professionals. That's what I wanted to say. Home service professionals. That's what I want that box to say.
If you want to add
So
another box, Mr. David, you will need to create a row.
let's take this and make it be, this should say realtors.
Okay.
So can I click that right there?
Yep. Click that and then go to the menu bar on the right side.
I'm clicking it, but it's not highlighting the link.
No, it's already selected, Mr. David. As you can see, the menu bar says button. Just have to scroll down. You should see the option to change the text there, text options.
Realtors,
Okay.
save.
Save.
Now I want to move this over. I just want this over a little bit so that I can put the other button here.
You want side by side, just like the other page, Mr.
Yeah,
David? You will need to create a page with uh 2 rows. So if you click on the blue section, hover your mouse on the blue section. There's a plus at the bottom, Mr. David. Plus that. Click that and then select 2 column row. Yeah, yeah. And then what you can do is move the realtors button and move it on the left side of the there. Yeah. Hover your mouse again, Mr. David. You see on the right side of the square, there's like a move. No, not that one. No, no, not that one, Mr. David. The orange one. There. The orange there. No, not that one. Yeah. And then move it.
the orange one there.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Drag that over to the left side. Yep. Drop it there. And then you can duplicate the button by clicking the square there. Yeah. Down that. Click that, Mr. David, and then move the other one to the right side, the second column there. Okay. And then change it at the bottom. Yeah. Scroll down, Mr. David. The text option is there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
How do I make it blue?
You delete the blue box at the top. Yep, that one. Delete that, and then hover over to the box, the buttons, Mr. David. The buttons, but no, no,
Right side. This is called the
no.
right sidebar.
The button itself, Mr. David. On a home service professional, and then move down a bit. Just move down a bit. Move your mouse down a bit. There. Click that. Click. Okay. You will see that it changed the right menu bar changed into 2 column row. You see that?
No,
The title, the menu bar.
right there. Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. So it's selected. Background color. You see that on the menu bar on the right side. Yep. It's where you change the color, the background. Yep. There. If you want it rounded, you have to go to the advanced section, the second tab. Yeah, there. So you have to set a border, full border. Click that, Mr. David. Full border, and then border color. Change it to transparent. the black one. The transparent is that one, yeah. Okay, and then scroll down a bit. You should see an option of border radius there. Select border radius and then set it to 15. That should give it a like rounded corner. 15 there. That's it. You can save and publish. You also need to set where you want the home services professional button goes, Mr. David. The link
What
to
do
that.
I
Where
wanted
do you want it to go?
to go to the
The
recording that it was going to.
recording,
Yeah,
a new page.
it was going here. So when you're here, this is the button, realtors and other
Okay.
home service professionals. Oh, wait a minute. So we made a mistake there, didn't we? Okay, so we wanted to see this page back here. Affiliates, this is what we wanted to change. This we wanted to say realtors, and this is where we want the two buttons right here on this page.
Right. If you publish the JHL page, Mr. David, can you go back to your JHL page? Publish it, and then go back to the live page. No, refresh it, Mr. David. No, just refresh. You can go back. You need to go back, Mr. David. There. There's your two buttons.
Can we make them closer together?
Yeah. You can set it so that it will take up the entire space so that it will have the same width.
I want to move them closer. I want to make it
Just
so it's
closer. Okay. Go back to your Go High Level page, and then click on the Realtors button. Go down a bit. It's there. Click the pink box there. Click that, and then on your right menu, do you see the column layout? Uh, Change the content spacing on the right menu, Mr. David. The content column layout. Change the content spacing. Yep. Change it to right.
say
Yep. Save.
now what?
No, I think it did not move it.
Yeah, this is not something I'm going to be able to remember to do. This is what I want. Is this the home page? Yeah. Why are people
Yeah,
going?
this is.
So this is the realtor one. That's correct. This is correct. Set up your solar feasibility report. Let's make that bold. How do we do that?
Select everything, and then click the bold. There. Click out.
This works, correct? You checked all this.
I'm sorry.
This all works. Full name,
Yep,
last name, and this goes. This will log into my. This will automatically put them into my contact database or put them on a
Yep.
spreadsheet.
Put it inside the just Go High Level, Mr. David.
And what you put them in as?
As a contact, as a lead.
That. So how do I know that they were?
They
How will I?
it has a tag.
Huh?
It has a solar tag, Mr. David.
Okay, so it has a tag called solar,
Yes.
but does it go into the opportunity at all?
No. I haven't created that.
Okay, then I'll look at that and come back to you with that. I need to write that down. I need a tag for making the website send to opportunity page. Okay. All right. So now let's set up a strategy. This goes to my calendar.
No, Miss David, they will just be saved.
Huh?
They will just be saved inside your Go high level.
It says, let's set up my strategy call.
Yeah, but
How am I going to know that I need to call this person? Okay, we're going to need to go through that. Let's go to the next page. We'll worry about the next page. This we want to get rid of. So I'm going here. How do I get rid of this guy again?
just click on the trash icon in the top right.
He's gone. Nice job. Publish,
Save and publish. Save and
save,
yep.
and publish. Okay. So now this is page 1 is set up. What I'd like you to do, take notes on what you need to do. I want you to move these so that they're centered a little bit more. Okay.
Okay.
No, I don't want them that spread apart, that far spread apart. Well, let's take a look. Let's see what it looks like.
I just
Realtors,
hit F5. Oh, okay.
hit F5. What?
Yeah, refresh the page, Mr. David. So the bot is gone.
Okay, good. The bot's gone. Okay, so now if I click on Realtor, it's going to go to Realtor page, the same page.
Yep.
If I click on Home Service, it's going to go to the same
The same
page.
page. Yeah.
That's cool. Okay. Now I come to here. This is the video there. Are these professional? So I want to, is this page 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do I get, now I click the
You
back
just
button.
go back. Yeah. Yes.
I have to hit save and publish. I want that
Yeah.
done. Save and publish.
No. Yeah. No need to actually. He already saved and published it earlier, Mr. David. So
Okay. So I'm going to go to the back button. Now I'm going to go to page 2. Edit. And this page I'm going to do, just clean it up a tiny bit. Okay, this says professionals and then get started. That's okay. Network marketers, click here. Professionals, where does that take you?
click that, Mr. David, and then you can scroll down the menu bar on the right side. Scroll down. It goes to the real first.
Goes into the realtor page. Okay, goes to the realtor page. Get started takes us to
Your BYLD
okay,
link
build network, right? Okay, and then this is network marketers. Click here.
that
I don't
goes to
want
the affiliate. I think.
I want it to be network marketers. and then click here underneath it, not side by side like that.
You can click the button, Mr. David, and then remove the click here, cut the click here text from the text option on the right menu bar. Cut that, Control X, and then put it in the subtext. Just right and just below that, and then paste.
I didn't say it, I didn't do it that way.
Should you can
How do
save
we,
it
how do we make it a little bold?
a little bigger.
Yeah,
So you have to scroll up, Mr. David. Scroll up. No, no, on the menu bar. Sorry, on the right side. There, subtext font side, and then the font size, and change it there.
and then how do I make it bold? What size is this? Is the,
I think that's 20. It's in on. It's in the menu there, just right above that.
how do I
It's
make
a
this
bit
bold?
small. If you want,
The click here bold, how do I make it bold?
scroll down on the right menu, Mr. David. Subtext. Hmm. Can you scroll up, Mr. David? You might not have that option to make it bold. No, it doesn't have an option. Make it bold, Mr. David. I would set it to 16 or 18. The text size. There. It doesn't have an option to make it bold, Mr. David. I think you missed the letter S.
Okay. I think I've got enough right now. What I'd like you to do is I want you to work on the tag for this setup. We need this to go, is going to be tagged into the database, and I'm going to look for what I want to tag it as. I want to go back. I want to go to opportunities, and I want it to be in the pipeline that it's going to go to is going to be the David at Everyday Cash Machine, right? Is that where it's going?
Yeah. You
And
can put that inside Everyday Cash Machine, or you can create another pipeline for solar.
um,
Because I think your Everyday Cash Machine was built through like a Facebook.
yeah, so let me ask you this. Can you duplicate this? Do you know how to duplicate this or
Yeah, I think you can. Can you click on pipelines, Mr. David, at the tab at the top? Yep. Uh, yeah, click edit. No. Okay. Yeah, you have to start from scratch, Mr. David.
okay, so I've got to build a pipeline called
Solar.
solar. And then this is Clark Energy. This is a pipeline directly for them, for Clark.
I did not create any pipeline for them, Mr. David.
So where does their information go to?
It's just inside Go High Level, Mr. David. It's just assigned to them.
Assigned, you're sure it's assigned to them?
Yeah.
And it's going to go inside the everyday
No
cash.
opportunity. Uh, yes, it will be saved as a contact, but no pipeline opportunity.
Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to create a solar pipeline, okay? And a solar pipeline. And then we're going to have the names that'll go in there will be, I'll tell you the names, but my name will be in there, okay? And then anybody else, and everybody's going to go in as a prospect, okay?
Okay.
So it shows up right there in the very beginning. Show up as a prospect, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'll create the pipeline.
And just go to the pipeline, Mr. David. After they sign up, you just want them to go to the pipeline.
Yeah, they sign
Okay.
up and a tag. They're going to get a tag called what? Solar?
Yep. Solar.
No, they're going to get a tag called, I want the tag to be solar prospect. So let's see if we've got that tag.
Not yet. I don't think so. I'll just create that, Mr. David.
Okay, solar prospect. This is for everybody, okay?
Yeah.
Everybody on the team. Solar prospect, and then the opportunity is going to be prospect. Okay?
Okay.
And then it's got it on the inside the pipeline or inside the opportunity. It'll be a brand new pipeline, and you're going to have to make it so that everybody is in here, correct?
Yeah.
So you're going to put
They'll be
everybody.
assigned. Yeah.
Okay, they're already in here as the assignees. Where do I see that?
You can click on one of the candidates, the prospect, Mr. David, and then you can click assign. You should see their name in there. Owner. If you click on owner, you should see their name there. Yeah, there.
Take out this guy, Joe or Iorio.
Okay. And remove the funnel as well.
Huh?
Okay. Remove the funnel as well.
Yeah, remove the funnel as well.
Okay.
Well, you probably want to leave the funnel because then you can just put somebody else's name, right?
Okay. Fair
You
enough.
could change it at a later date, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. All right. Thank you, Mark.
Yeah, sure, Mr. David.
All right, bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.